back when I was a teenager, I was looking for a way to get all the higher notes on the strings after the fretboard ran out. See, nobody invented a whammy pedal yet. So I came up with this thing where I went into my mom's sewing box and I got a thimble, little metal cap you use for sewing right there. And I keep it on my smallest finger of my picking hand. And I tap with it on the strings once you get higher than the fretboard. So the whole concept I had using the thimble is that just because the neck runs out, it doesn't mean that the notes do. And I needed a way, the same way the string hits against the metal fret, I was looking for something metal to hit against the string. And that's how I came up with the whole thimble thing. So that's how you use it. Just tap it the way you would tap anything else. Faster now. Chop. And a little quicker. And a little quicker. A little quicker.